Namaste. I am from Team Insurance, which deals in general insurance, life insurance, and mutual funds. A health insurance policy helps you and your family to meet any unexpected medical emergency cost. But do you know that penetration of health insurance in India is very low? To address this gap and to ensure health insurance for all, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has introduced a standard health cover policy named as Arogya Sanjeevani. This product has been launched on 1st April 2020 and will be offered by all general insurance and standalone health insurance companies with the same features, benefits and limitations. Let's start with eligibility criteria about who can buy this plan. Any child between the age of 91 days to 25 years and adult between the age of 18 years to 65 years can be insured under this product. Policy type can be individual or floater. A floater policy can include self, spouse, parents, parents-in-laws and dependent children. For sum insured, one has 9 options starting from 1 lakh to maximum of 5 lakhs. You can choose as per your requirement. Policy tenure will be 1 year only. Every year, you have to renew your policy. One can choose premium paying frequency as monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly mode as per comfortability. You should also know about the sublimit of the product. Like regular health plan, 24 hours of inpatient hospitalization is must due to any illness or injury. Any hospitalization expenses below 24 hours will not be covered. On room rent, 2% of sum insured or maximum of Rs 5,000 is allowed per day. But if a patient is admitted into an ICU, then instead of 2%, 5% of sum insured or maximum of Rs 10,000 per day will be allowed. Doctor or surgeon fees will be covered up to the opted sum insured amount. This product also covers 30 days pre and 60 days post hospitalization expenses. All daycare procedures are covered in this plan, and for the same no need to be hospitalized for 24 hours. This product also covers Ayush treatment, which includes Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. You can avail cashless hospitalization at network hospital of the respective insurer. Also, emergency road ambulance covered up to Rs 2,000 per hospitalization. For cataract treatment, it is covered up to 25% of sum insured or Rs 40,000, whichever is lower, per eye under one policy year. Also, you should know that if policy once bought, it can be renewed lifelong without any restriction. There are 3 points which needs to be highlighted here: special treatment, cumulative bonus and copay. Let's start with special treatment. There are some treatments which are covered up to 50% of sum insured amount only. Please refer the list on the same in product policy wordings. Now talking on cumulative bonus. If a policy holder is not making any single claim in a policy year, then next year at the time of policy renewal, his or her sum insured amount will be increased by 5%. About copay, 5% copay is mandatory in this product, which is applicable on each and every claim. Insurance company will pay 95% of admissible claim amount and rest 5% has to be borne by the policy holder. We have seen features and benefits of this product. Now need to understand on applicable waiting period. Initial 30 days waiting period will be applicable for everyone. Other than this, if someone is having pre-existing illness, then 4 years waiting will be there for the same. Also, there will be some waiting period of 2 to 4 years on specific listed ailments. Concluding this video, I must say that this product will have a great demand in coming days due to many reasons. You can buy this product as it is affordable, easy to understand, covering almost everything, giving even a lower sum insured option. And most importantly, IRDAI has introduced and is promoting this product. I am sure that you can look for this plan if going for ensuring your and your family members' health. For any query or suggestion, feel free to connect us on 9987022210 or can mail us on yourinsurage@gmail.com. If you like this video, kindly click on like button, subscribe and feel free to share this video. Also click on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you.